Alif.
Alif.
Ta.
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 Fa.
Ta.
Yes. Ba, ta, fa. These three letters in same shapes, right? Ba has one dot at the bottom, and ta has two dots on the top, and fa has three dots on the top. So remember this. Ba, one dot at the bottom. Ta, two dots on the top. Fa, three dots on the top. Okay? So, ba,
Ba.
ba,
Ba.
ta,
Ta.
fa,
Fa.
jim,
Jim.
jim,
Jim.
not jeen. In the end, sound of M. Jim.
Jim.
Good. Ha,
Ha.
ha,
Ha.
kha,
Kha.
dal,
Dal.
val.
Dal.
Yeah, val. Tip of tongue with the edge of upper central two teeth. Okay. Val.
Val.
Yeah, same like this letters. Okay, this letter. Fa. Tip of tongue with the bottom edge of upper teeth. Fa.
Fa.
Val.
Val.
Good. Ra.
Ra.
Za.
Za.
Sin.
Sin.
Sheen.
Sheen.
Sheen. Sound of N in the end. Sheen.
Sheen.
Yes. Sod.
Sod.
This one. Dod.
Dod.
Sod.
Sod.
Dod.
Dod.
Ta.
Ta.
Za.
Ra.
Ta.
Ta.
This one. This is ta. Ta.
Ta.
Za.
Za.
Ain.
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 So, Ain.
Ain.
Ghain.
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 Yes, Ain from the middle of the throat. Okay. Ghain. Sorry,
Ghain.
Ain.
Ghain.
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 Yeah, ghain from the top of the throat. Ghain.
Ghain.
Fa.
Fa.
Qaf.
Qaf.
Yeah. End of the tongue when it's touch on the palate. Okay. Qaf.
Qaf.
Qaf. Make it hard. Qaf.
Qaf.
And this is kaf.
Kaf.
Lam.
Lam.
Mim.
Mim.
Noon.
Noon.
Waw.
Wow.
Ha,
Ha,
from bottom of the throat, okay? Ha,
ha,
and this letter is like this letter is sharp, okay? Like ha, okay? From middle of the throat. Ha, okay? Say ha,
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 and this one from the bottom of the throat. Ha, ha. Yes, read.
ha,
Yes. Ha,
ha,
ha. This one. Ha,
ha,
and this one. Ha.
ha, ha,
Hamza.
Hamza,
Ya.
Ya,
Ya.
Ya.
Okay. So practice these alphabets.